letter M, we are on to a new worksheet, so I make sure I have that layer selected as well as my practice here selected and highlighted. And I'm going to switch back to pink for this one. So the letter M we do with 3 separate strokes. You've got your, I have my wrong brush here. Let's see, iPad calligraphy, brush calligraphy. So we've got a heavy down stroke, and then we're gonna make an overturn stroke that we learned in drills. So we're gonna go light to heavy, and then again, light, heavy, light. Lowercase is the exact same, just staying within that X height. So we're heavy, light, heavy, light, heavy, light. Now you could do some of that in combined strokes, but I think especially as a beginner, it's important to do those 3 separate strokes because it gives you more control. With the slanted M, we just have a slight variation here. So we're gonna come around with light pressure into heavy. And I didn't get that angle quite right, so I'm gonna redo that. And again, that's a 2-finger tap to undo, and then light to heavy, light to heavy, and then at the end I just lift up on my pressure a little bit to get that nice little detail at the end there. With the lowercase, I'm going to do the same thing, but from this, so I'm going to start slightly lighter into really heavy, and that gives you, again, that little detail. And again, I did not get my angle quite right, so I'm going to redo that. Light to heavy, light to heavy, and finish with light. And we do those because when we get into doing words, those are your connector strokes to your next letter.